Caloric restriction has been linked to increased longevity across a wide range of species, from simple organisms like yeast and worms to more complex mammals such as rodents and primates. One of the primary theories is that reducing calorie intake triggers beneficial metabolic changes. For instance, lower calorie consumption appears to decrease oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are known to contribute to aging. How might reducing calories lower oxidative damage? When fewer calories are consumed, cells generate energy more efficiently, producing fewer reactive oxygen species that can damage proteins, DNA, and cell membranes over time. Another key aspect is the activation of cellular repair and maintenance pathways. Research has shown that caloric restriction can upregulate molecules such as sirtuins and AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, while simultaneously downregulating the mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin pathway. This combination not only enhances stress resistance, but also promotes autophagy, the process by which cells clear out damaged components and recycle them for new growth. Could these pathways be responsible for the extended lifespans observed in calorie-restricted animals? Studies in rodents, for example, have consistently demonstrated that those on a reduced calorie diet tend to live significantly longer than those with unrestricted access to food, suggesting a strong link between these cellular processes and longevity. Animal studies provide concrete examples of the longevity benefits of caloric restriction. In mice, a diet reduced by 20–40% from normal calorie intake can extend lifespan by up to 50%. Similar trends have been observed in fruit flies and worms, where caloric restriction not only prolongs life but also improves overall health markers such as mobility and resistance to stress. In primates, long-term studies have indicated improvements in metabolic health and a reduction in age diseases, though the impact on lifespan is still under investigation. How do these findings translate to humans? While direct evidence in humans remains less clear due to the complexity of human biology and the practical challenges of long-term dietary studies, many researchers believe that similar mechanisms may be at work. Additionally, caloric restriction appears to affect hormone levels such as insulin and growth factors, which play significant roles in the aging process. A reduction in insulin levels and an increase in insulin sensitivity can lower the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, further contributing to a healthier, longer life. This multifaceted approach, combining reduced oxidative damage, enhanced cellular repair, and improved hormonal balance, paints a compelling picture of how caloric restriction might extend lifespan. Overall, the link between caloric restriction and longevity is supported by a variety of experimental models and has provided valuable insights into the aging process. By reducing calorie intake, organisms seem to initiate a cascade of protective biological responses that delay the onset of age decline. How might understanding these mechanisms inspire new interventions for healthy aging? As scientists continue to unravel the complex interplay between diet, metabolism, and aging, there is hope that mimicking the beneficial effects of caloric restriction without the need for severe dietary limitations could one day lead to effective strategies for extending healthy human lifespan. Caloric restriction involves reducing daily calorie intake without malnutrition and has been observed to extend lifespan in various species. Studies indicate that lower calorie consumption triggers cellular processes that slow down aging and improve overall health. This phenomenon is seen in organisms ranging from yeast to mammals, suggesting a fundamental biological mechanism. Researchers continue to explore how caloric restriction influences longevity through metabolic and genetic pathways. For instance, in laboratory experiments, rodents on a reduced calorie diet have consistently outlived their counterparts fed ad libitum. It's like maintaining a car on a fuel-efficient mode. By using less fuel, the engine experiences less wear and lasts longer. Reduced calorie intake activates cellular stress response pathways that enhance the repair and maintenance of damaged cells. This process involves mild stress that boosts the production of protective proteins and antioxidants, which help prevent the accumulation of cellular damage over time and contribute to a longer lifespan. For example, cells from animals on a calorically restricted diet often show increased activity of enzymes that repair DNA. It's like scheduling regular maintenance for a machine. The routine checkups and repairs prevent breakdowns and prolong its life. Caloric restriction improves metabolic efficiency by optimizing how cells use energy and reducing wasteful byproducts. This process minimizes the production of harmful reactive oxygen species that can damage cellular components, thereby reducing oxidative stress and supporting healthier, longer-lasting cells. For example, studies show that calorically restricted animals often have lower levels of oxidative damage markers in their tissues compared to those on a standard diet. It's like upgrading to an energy-efficient appliance that uses every bit of power effectively without generating excessive heat or wear. Caloric restriction alters hormonal levels such as reducing insulin and increasing levels of longevity-associated hormones like adiponectin, which improves the body's ability to regulate metabolism and reduce inflammation. A more favorable hormonal environment supports improved cellular function and stress resistance, playing a significant role in the overall extension of lifespan observed in many studies. For example, in some experiments, animals on a restricted diet exhibit lower insulin levels, which is linked to decreased risk of age diseases. It's like fine-tuning the settings on a thermostat to maintain a comfortable, steady environment. Optimal hormonal balance creates a stable internal climate that promotes longevity. One of the key benefits of caloric restriction is the reduction of oxidative stress, which is caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. Lower calorie intake leads to decreased production of free radicals during metabolic processes, protecting cells from oxidative damage that contributes to aging and disease. Over time, this reduction helps maintain improved cellular health and extends lifespan. For example, animals on a calorically restricted diet often display lower levels of oxidative damage in their organs, correlating with longer life expectancy. It's like using a high-quality air filter in your home that minimizes dust and pollutants. Reducing harmful elements helps maintain a cleaner, healthier environment over time. Caloric restriction has been shown to influence genetic pathways associated with aging, such as the sirtuin family of proteins, which help control cellular processes like DNA repair, metabolism, and stress resistance. The activation of these genetic regulators contributes to enhanced longevity and a delayed onset of age decline, demonstrating that caloric restriction can modulate fundamental biological processes at the molecular level. For example, research in model organisms reveals that increased activity of sirtuin genes under caloric restriction is linked to a significant extension of lifespan. It's like upgrading the software in a computer. Enhanced code improves performance and extends the machine's useful life. Different species show varying degrees of lifespan extension in response to caloric restriction due to differences in their metabolism, genetics, and ecological adaptations. While many organisms benefit from reduced calorie intake, the magnitude of the effect can depend on evolutionary factors. Comparative studies help identify common mechanisms and unique variations across species, providing insights into the evolutionary basis of aging and longevity. For example, caloric restriction might extend the lifespan of a small rodent by a significant percentage, whereas the effect in larger mammals may be more modest. It's like different car models achieving varying fuel efficiencies. While all benefit from energy conservation, the specific gains depend on the design and engineering of each model. Caloric restriction is associated with a lower risk of age diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, as the improvement in metabolic and hormonal profiles along with reduced oxidative stress creates a protective effect against these conditions. By slowing the aging process at the cellular level, caloric restriction can contribute to a healthier, longer life, underscoring its potential as a strategy for improving overall health outcomes. For example, clinical studies have found that caloric restriction leads to improved markers of cardiovascular health and reduced incidence of metabolic disorders in experimental models. It's like regularly servicing a vehicle to prevent breakdowns. By maintaining optimal conditions, you reduce the likelihood of major failures down the line. While much of the evidence for caloric restriction comes from animal studies, ongoing research is investigating its effects on human longevity and health, aiming to determine how reduced calorie intake can be safely implemented in human diets to mimic the benefits observed in other species. Scientists are optimizing caloric restriction protocols to maximize health benefits while ensuring nutritional adequacy, with potential to revolutionize approaches to aging and disease prevention in people. For example, some clinical trials are exploring intermittent fasting and caloric restriction diets in humans to assess their long-term impact on biomarkers of aging and disease risk. It's like testing a new recipe that promises both delicious taste and health benefits. Careful refinement and experimentation may eventually lead to a widely accepted and beneficial diet plan.